ETFs versus mutual funds. What's best for beginners? If you're new to investing, you've probably heard about ETFs and mutual funds. But what's the difference? And more importantly, which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break it all down in simple terms, so you can start your investment journey with confidence. What are ETFs and mutual funds? Let's start with the basics. Both ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds are ways to invest in a group of assets, like stocks or bonds, without having to pick them individually. Think of them as pre-packed baskets of investments curated by experts. The main difference lies in how you buy, sell, and manage them. Key differences: ETFs versus mutual funds. Here's where things get interesting. Buying and selling. ETFs trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. You can buy or sell them anytime the market is open. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are bought or sold only once a day after the market closes. Fees. ETFs usually have lower fees because they're often passively managed. Mutual funds can have higher fees, especially if they're actively managed by professionals trying to outperform the market. Minimum investment. ETFs let you start small, sometimes with just the price of one share. Mutual funds often have minimum investment requirements, sometimes $1,000 or more. Tax efficiency. ETFs are generally more tax efficient because of the way they're structured. With mutual funds, you could end up with unexpected capital gains taxes even if you didn't sell your shares. Which one is right for beginners? So which one should you choose? If you're looking for low fees, flexibility, and you don't mind buying and selling on your own, ETFs are a great option. They're especially popular for passive investors who like index funds. But if you prefer a hands-off approach and don't mind paying slightly higher fees for professional management, mutual funds could be a better fit. The key is to match your investment style and goals. Here's a quick recap. ETFs are flexible, cost-effective, and tax-efficient. Mutual funds offer professional management but come with higher fees and less trading flexibility. Both are excellent tools for building wealth over time. It just depends on what works best for you. Now that you know the difference, which one do you prefer? ETFs or mutual funds? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple and actionable personal finance.